Now talk about the types of copper nickel alloys. How many types of there? Three types of there. First one is 10%, 20%, and 30%. That and we know the copper nickel alloy in which only 10 to 30% nickel is allowed, right? So if only 10% has been mixed, then it is known as C70600. Okay, so contains approximately 10% nickel and 90% copper. Okay, and if talk about 20%, then its name as C71500. Okay, so in which they contains about 20% of nickel and 80% of copper. Okay, known for its high strength and excellent corrosion resistance in the seawater and industrial applications. Now we come to the third one, which is the 30%. If we talk about the 30% nickel, its name is C73 3 times 0. Okay, means 73,000, right? Here 71,500, or here 70,600. Okay, so in 73,000 that we are having 30% nickel and providing the superior strength, and 30% nickel means what? It means the copper would be of 70%. Okay, because the mixture must be balanced. So strength, providing the superior strength and resistant to the corrosion and high temperatures. Often used in demanding application like cryogenic systems and heat exchanger. These are the demanding applications.